Hi everyone, Philipa Thornton, founder and director of Marriage Works. It's wonderful to be here, inviting in November, not long till Christmas. And in the spirit of November, I'm going to take a leaf out of our friends in the US. We hope all goes well for them in November with their election. And think about November's monthly support as Thanksgiving. What can you appreciate in your life? There are so many things that are not going so easily out there for all of us. In fact, I wasn't able to finish my October recording as I had some health issues and a bit on my plate there, so sorry about that. So I'm really appreciating and grateful for my health. If you think about your relationship, the important people in your life, your spouse, even yourself, how are you showing up? How's your gratitude manifesting? With so much going on in the world, we really need to think about what's closest to home in our heart, how we can share that positive energy with appreciation and Thanksgiving, which is coming up for November 25th. So today, for this month, think, what are you grateful for? Share that. Perhaps you might do some random act of kindness. There's a lot of people struggling. Just as an act of generosity. So offer your Thanksgiving, and I'm offering you Thanksgiving for showing up, listening. It's wonderful. In my therapy sessions, we use what's called the appreciation dialogue when I'm working with couples. It's so wonderful to hear, and couples' beautiful noticings of the little things that they are, and hear that shared with. So the love that brings. It can be something really tiny. Someone said laughter at dinner. That was really powerful for them. So touching. And when I'm working with individuals as well, we need to be thinking about, who's in my life? What do I want? Am I open to receiving? And an attitude of gratitude can really help you share your heart. I love coaching individuals into relationship, into their relationships of their dreams. And of course, that always starts here with ourselves, because if we're not caring and positive with ourselves, how can we offer that, our good selves, our best selves, to the world? So this month, for your support, think about how you might appreciate yourself, the special people in your world, the little things, with an attitude of gratitude. Bye for now.